looking at our solar setup, and we've grown. We've gotten a few more batteries. We've gotten a few more items here. We got another battery charger. We've got the cable coming in from outside that is hooked to the main battery panels outside. So we have another inverter. We have this inverter is for 1600, where the red one beside it, the Centec, is only 1500. And then we have the 4 amp regulator for the smaller panels that I showed you before outside, along with the 2 light switches down there. This inverter is running that desktop. And we have added some batteries. We've added not just the small battery, but we also have 2 marine batteries, all hooked in 12 volt series, not 24. We haven't stepped up to that voltage yet. So the connectors for this regulator, as you see, it's at 12.6, and you can see it showing the charge from the panel. Little arrow there, and a little smiley face on the battery, but the battery is not at full capacity. The right side is to hook up a direct DC lighting, like what we have down here with this DC lighting. And at this point, you see the battery charger is not charging because it is nighttime, but it still is maintaining its 12.6. And the connections for these are on the areas, a little too big there for you. Right here, as I said, on the right is for a light you can wire in. The center wires are actually the charging wires coming from the charger to the batteries. The thick black wires are the wires that come in from outside that are connected to the 100-watt solar panels. I have 2 of them out there. So that's 200-watt solar panels coming through down to my charger, and then back to the battery. These are just easy on-off switches. And of course, that one. And this is a little bit different one here. Right now there's no electricity going through it. I mean, there's power going to it, but we're not drawing any. It has USB connectors for power, as well as this one also has a USB connector for power in the back of it. And what we have here, these 2 marine batteries. I like marine batteries because they got lots of extra posts. So the actual charger from the main solar panels, the 100-watt solar panels, is coming in here and charging on that positive terminal of the battery. And then the inverter is coming off of this cable and then daisy chained over from one battery to another. Here we have the second battery here, and the other inverter, got that clamped on there, and the other charger from the smaller panels outside, the 45-watt panels, and of course the negative connections on the opposite side. And like I said, we're set up only for 12 volt, positive to positive, negative to negative. If you cross connected this positive to that negative and then made the loop back, you could raise it up to 24 volts, 48 volts, and every time you step it up. And then of course I've added the extra battery of the lawn and maintenance battery here. And that's just your standard hookup there for that. So I actually have 3 batteries connected here. And this is the kind of cable that I bought at Walmart to hook these together. So that's pretty much the update for the solar system on the inside, or on the inside. So now we're going to take you on the outside. Okay, so we're looking at the original 3 15-watt solar panels there, and the 2 up above that each are 100-watt solar panels, and those panels come down the roof here. We have our cords going in, and I've made a penetration there so they can actually go through the wall. And then of course we want to seal that penetration with some sort of sealant so that we can keep the bugs out and keep the weather out as well.